If you want to collect customer feedback quickly and professionally, SurveyMonkey is one of the easiest tools to use. In this video, I'll show you how to create a survey in SurveyMonkey for customer feedback, customize a template, publish it, share the link, and then review the responses once people start answering. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software guides. All right, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the main dashboard where you can start a new survey. To begin, click Create Survey. This is the starting point for building your customer feedback form. SurveyMonkey gives you a few different options, but if you want to save time, using a template is usually the fastest and easiest approach. Next, click Pick a Popular Template. This will bring up a list of ready-made survey templates designed for different use cases. Since we're making a survey for customer feedback, choose Customer Satisfaction Survey. This template is a great starting point because it already includes questions that help you understand how customers feel about your product, service, or overall experience. After selecting the template, click Use this template. SurveyMonkey will load the survey into its editor so you can review and customize it. This is where you can make the survey match your business needs. For example, you might want to change the wording of the questions, remove anything that isn't relevant, or add extra questions about product quality, support experience, delivery speed, or overall satisfaction. Now take a moment to click on any question you want to edit. SurveyMonkey makes it easy to update the wording directly from the survey builder. You can change the question text, adjust answer choices, or replace a generic question with something more specific to your audience. If you're collecting customer feedback, it's a good idea to keep the questions clear, short, and easy to answer because that usually increases completion rates. As you go through the survey, think about the type of feedback you actually want to collect. For example, if your goal is to improve customer service, you might ask how satisfied people were with response time or support quality. If you want product feedback, you might ask what features they liked most and what could be improved. The more focused your questions are, the more useful your results will be. Once your survey looks good, it's time to publish it. Click Publish Survey. This step makes your survey live and ready to distribute. SurveyMonkey will prepare the survey so it can be shared with your customers through a link, email, or other channel, depending on how you want to send it out. After publishing, click Share a Link. This is one of the simplest ways to collect feedback because you can copy the survey URL and send it anywhere. You might place it in an email, on a thank you page, in a support message, or even post it in a customer community. Copy the link carefully so you don't miss any part of it. Now that you have the survey link, share it with the people you want feedback from. The easier you make it for customers to access the survey, the more responses you're likely to get. It also helps to keep your survey short and relevant so people don't feel overwhelmed. A clean, focused customer feedback survey usually performs much better than a long one. Once responses start coming in, go back to SurveyMonkey and click Analyze Results. This is where you can see all the answers you've collected. SurveyMonkey organizes the data so you can review trends, understand customer sentiment, and spot common issues or compliments. This is the part that turns raw survey answers into useful business insight. You can use those results to make better decisions, improve your service, and identify what customers really want. Maybe your feedback shows that customers love your product but want faster support, or maybe the survey reveals a feature people keep requesting. Either way, you now have real data instead of guesses. And that's it. You've now created a customer feedback survey in SurveyMonkey, customized a template, published it, shared the link, and reviewed the results. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.